Nearly every celebrity in the world has been to his homes or has been to his events.
But clearly he was doing it for his own jollies too. There was something sick about it.
She said there were more than 100 people at that party, including at least 4 celebrities. But this, what you're talking about now, was a threesome, and that's something that the U.S. Attorney even referenced.
The courtroom report that Assistant U.S. Attorney Emily Johnson read out loud the text that Diddy reportedly sent to Cassie Ventura after an altercation in a hotel in 2016.
Celebrity in the world has been to his homes or has been to his events.
Stop by. It's an invitation to all of America. I'm only joking. No, I wouldn't do that if I was you.
Just because you've been to Diddy's home or been to his parties does not mean that you are complicit in criminal activity. Now, does it mean that we may see celebrities come up on video footage from his home or in photos? You know, all that evidence you would imagine will be presented in court if and when there is a trial. It's that question of everyone knew, but what did they know? And, you know, with Diddy, here's what I have pointed out, what I'll say. Not a single celebrity has come out to defend Diddy. Not one.
Combs has pleaded not guilty. And now we're learning more details about the raid that went down here at Diddy's 17,000 square foot, $61.5 million mansion. Prosecutors revealed they actually found 6 guns in his California and
Diddy's bail has been denied after Assistant U.S. Attorney Emily Johnson presented critical evidence in court, including disturbing text messages he allegedly sent to Cassie Ventura. The case against the music mogul has intensified, with mounting allegations of abuse, blackmail, and involvement in serious crimes. These developments come amid resurfaced claims of his mistreatment of others. The entertainment industry and links to troubling activities, raising more questions about his actions behind closed doors in court. Johnson referenced a specific incident from 2016 that has become a focal point of the case. Security footage from a hotel hallway, which has since gone viral, reportedly shows Diddy physically assaulting Cassie, his then-girlfriend. Following the incident, Diddy allegedly sent Cassie a desperate text message saying, "Call me, the cops are here. I got 6 kids, yo, please call. I'm surrounded, you're gonna abandon me all alone." Johnson argued that the text clearly demonstrated Diddy's awareness of the gravity of his actions and his fear of legal consequences, the message sent in the aftermath of an altercation that could no longer be hidden due to the release of the video reveals an attempt to control the situation and prevent Cassie from taking further steps. The prosecutor emphasized that this was part of a broader pattern of behavior, where Diddy sought to silence victims and protect himself from accountability. These revelations, combined with other allegations surfacing in recent weeks, have painted a grim picture of Diddy's conduct and the power dynamics he allegedly used to intimidate and manipulate others. The court has deemed him a flight risk and a potential threat to witnesses, leading to the decision to deny bail. The case continues to unfold, with more evidence and testimony expected in the coming days. After physically assaulting his ex-girlfriend Cassie, Diddy reportedly released an apology video in which he confessed to his actions and expressed regret. In the video, he acknowledged the harm he caused and stated that he was deeply sorry for what happened. According to reports, the apology came after a scene where Diddy attacked Cassie, leading to the police being called to the scene. Allegedly, during this time, Diddy sent a series of text messages to Cassie, pleading with her to respond and help him manage the situation. These messages, sent in the immediate aftermath of the assault, have been presented as evidence of his desperation and awareness of the potential legal consequences of his actions. The incident has since drawn widespread attention, with many criticizing Diddy's behavior and questioning the sincerity of his apology.
It's so difficult to reflect on the darkest times in your life, but sometimes you gotta do that. I was fucked up. I mean, I hit rock bottom, but I make no excuses. My behavior on that video is inexcusable. I take full responsibility for my actions in that video. I'm disgusted. I was disgusted then when I did it. I'm disgusted now. I went and I sought out professional help. I had to go into therapy and go into rehab. Had to ask God for his mercy and grace. I'm so sorry. But I'm committed to be a better man each and every day. I'm not asking for forgiveness. I'm truly sorry.
Arrests have reportedly begun in connection to a sex trafficking ring allegedly run by Diddy and former Abercrombie Fitch CEO Mike Jeff, a multimillionaire who is now facing prison time. This development has caused concern among those connected to Diddy as they worry about the potential fallout and exposure of their involvement. It is rumored that Ashton Kutcher is preparing to testify in the case, while Ellen DeGeneres has reportedly left the country and moved to England. Questions are being raised about what these celebrities might have been involved in and whether their actions will soon be revealed to the public. The situation has sparked widespread speculation about the true extent of the scandal and its potential consequences for those implicated.
I subscribe to the idea that places have memory. I think there's something real to that. That's why
it does feel that way, actually.
Yeah. I'm sure if you go to Diddy's house, it probably feels real weird. Probably feels weird walking around that house. You're probably like, what the fuck happened here?
Yeah.
I bet there's some memories in that house. You know?
Sounds rough, man.
Well, it's just amazing how many people on the Diddy party list that are supporting Kamala. Too.
Yeah, seriously. It's like insane.
Publicly, openly, all in.
Yeah.
Shocking details about the abuse allegedly carried out by Diddy are emerging, revealing a deeply disturbing pattern of behavior. Reports claim that Diddy not only engaged in sexual abuse of minors, but also exhibited abusive behavior toward members of his own family. One particularly troubling rumor suggests that Diddy was grooming his own son, raising serious concerns about the extent of his actions. The situation has escalated as the FBI is now reportedly in possession of video evidence showing Diddy sexually abusing minors. This evidence, if verified, could lead to significant legal action and further expose the full scope of his alleged crimes. These allegations have not only intensified public outrage, but also strengthened calls for a thorough investigation and accountability. The scandal also implicates Diddy's associate Mike Jeff, the former Abercrombie Fitch CEO, who was accused of running an international sex trafficking ring. According to reports, Jeff's allegedly forced men into sexual acts by injecting them with medications to cause erections, even when they were unwilling to participate. Elon Musk, the world's richest person, has recently raised concerns about the powerful connections surrounding Diddy, particularly highlighting ties between the music mogul and some of the most influential figures in the world. Musk pointed out that despite the growing evidence against Diddy, many high-profile celebrities continue to publicly support him, suggesting that these individuals may be at risk of facing consequences if Diddy is held accountable for his alleged crimes. In a recent appearance on the Joe Rogan podcast, Musk made a striking comment about the relationship between Diddy and Kamala Harris, the Vice President of the United States. Musk described these ties as suspicious, suggests that they weren't closer scrutiny and investigation. His remarks have added fuel to ongoing speculation about the extent of Diddy's influence and his connections with powerful figures in politics and entertainment.